Alright, this is going to be a huge fire alarm. So, first of all, I got a Gentex SHG horn strobe. It's mounted because I did a demonstration of it. And, yeah, so both the horn and strobe works. I do this for sale or trade. So, this will probably be $12. You can trade, but you gotta pay for shipping on all the items. Yeah, it's very loud. So yeah, I'll set it off. By the way, if you hear another fire alarm in the background, that's a Simplex. See? Now let's come down to the other fire alarms. First of all, down here we have a Gentex Commander 3, brand new, no box, no manual. I just got this yesterday off eBay, and I don't have a panel, and that's what it requires to make sound off of. Now these are the switches for tone. That's the Candela Select. Now how you get it off is, well, it's easy. All you gotta do, hard to do with one hand, slide it off. And then could be everything. Put it back on. Yeah. So yeah, very loud, very durable. $20. Now this is an Edwards Integrity fire alarm. Here's the back. It is blown. So yeah, it's pretty expensive at the time. $8, you could fix it. This is a Warble alarm. Oh, by the way, if I didn't say it, then it's $20. That's, well, $22. Or $20. Anyways, this is a system sensor Warble alarm. Makes a warble sound. This is the back. Now these contacts right here, I'd want to solder them in or something. Keep them in because they get very annoying. The strobe does work. 30 rounds per minute. Very loud. Well, not very loud, pretty loud. So yeah. Now this is, other than that, this is the loudest fire alarm I have. That is the only issue with it. It's gonna come to you at 115 Candela. Now the back, it does not include the back box. I'm sorry about that. And here's the tone selections. It's not gonna really focus well on it, so yeah, here's the tone selections. So far it's set on continuous low mode, low, but yeah, it's set on 115 Candela. Now this yes includes, oh, and by the way, every fire alarm except for this and this include mounting screws. They will be these screws. Yeah. So in other words, this, if you were to order this one, you get 2 mounting screws. This would come with 2, and this will come with 4. Oh, and that one also comes with two mounting screws. If I can remember to put them in. They might not come with them. I'm not guaranteeing that they will come with them. But anyways, this one is a system sensor spectral alert speaker strobe. Here's inside the hole. This is the speaker. Here's the strobe. That's the one problem with it. It does not stay put, and the strobe does not work. The strobe does not work. There's no returns on any of these, but here's the back. There are the contacts. So yeah, you hook it up to a stereo or an evacuation panel. So anyways, yeah, that's 25. Now, here's for trading. I will trade for every single one of these alarms. All of them except for this one. This one is an exception, but well, this one I only need a strobe, a little strobe piece. So, you know, if you want to send me a strobe, and you'll get this blown horn strobe. I bet you could fix it. Yeah, very good alarm. If you get it fixed, it's very loud. Now, for the rest of these, well, including that, since that is a speaker strobe, I want horn strobe. They both have to work. And I mean, I want them together. I don't want like two separate alarms, unless it's like a strobe plate with a fire alarm professionally installed on it. But once again, you pay for shipping. You will email me at the address below. All these alarms. If you trade, you give me the alarm first, then I send it to you. Yeah, so, by the way, this Gentex label pops off if you're wondering, this Gentex label does pop off. This is $20. Probably the cheapest one you'll find. You are once again 100% welcome to purchase these alarms. Excuse that. Our dog is playing. Our dad and our dog are playing. All right. Now let me go through the price range list. That one is $12. $20, $8, $15, $18, $25. If you have any other questions, email me at the address below. Do not use YouTube. And I do not buy fire alarms. I mean, like, unless I sell any fire alarms, I do not just go out and buy any fire alarms. So don't ask. So yeah. Thank you for watching. By the way, all comments will be ignored. And first come, first serve. So, price is firm with all of these alarms. So if someone buys or trades the fire alarm with me, someone can't say I want it. Then they're not gonna get it, unless it's and by the way, I want your YouTube account emailed too. I want to know it's not a scam. So yeah. These are all the fire alarms, and thanks for watching, and That's it.